Stars Day, but of course, Kumasi Asante Kotoko Hunsem and so Ewaha, I was here in Bremo. Yintini Shadows will say, and the game no a 4 p.m. Ghana versus Sudan, 2025, Morocco no, Ghana, Yepesi Kubi no near Kojeno, and no home, Inyimu Akensi and El Koso. Yes, this should be the match day 3 because Ghana Bonije and Ghana Bo Angola. This match day 4 and I think match day 3, yeah, if my memory serves me right. Wait till the comment at all now correct here. You know you see there a good year 7 no yeah. You know full look by virtue of say some of us are creating the YouTube channel say yeah they be bought a good year 7 no the Super 24 TV no so game no 4 p.m. Ghana Sudan. Now ahead of the game no Ghana coach Utwaro Kasa and a Sudan also for Kasa. Kwasi Appiah say it's a misfeeling. Ubenyanka 2 teams ni nyina I qualify, but about for say mind games and a James Kwasi Appiah doctor Eka na he be rasa game no, but mabemfa headlines kakra emma coach Kwasi Appiah nsema odi tu dwana ewo, but enra GFA president Kotoko ade bia ade na oye no, to be real honest, enya social media backlash pan. So I was like, I will ask the Super 24 my herefore na yaji adwen chere concerning that no we training we before the training na outburst or lashy players no Brunibeka say he scorned them publicly. Players let and the camera see so no bash mo papa about for say enya adwuma or Ghana Premier League nenyi tembia o madwen ewo the blaster ye liga ye boy na semi coverage rights holder cry ni bi, but e drew black star dia eni brebi e wo wiase bia no omudi wuram ewo ho, and also concerns amount for erezi. Ebi also say no, this is the way to go. Black Star players no omutirimu ayo omode abroso nti it is about time I was ye chi o mani papa. Because ansem no, but the news and the good news is that the first batch of Kotoko players are omokobo DC United game no oma touch down the United States of America. Updates ha bro on the Super 24 TV. Justice Blay Kumasi Asante Kotoko midfielder. Sometimes Kotoko Sabon as defender of late. Justice Blay was part of the team of Moko Abuchino. Justice Blay Mwasemoha about contract offer. Peter Amidu Aqua and so Honsem Ewaha. It is about contract offer. Nina no Yabeka Bumna area bro. Senior KJMV and the Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Mr. Muse wo America. Mr. Jamai also ewo omo omadwe say nka mbeba be welcome Kumasi Asante Kotoko abra omo mu America no, but a day ni see ya welcome no entimi amaso ere honsem ebe bro on the Super 24 TV. Me see enya gudi ena enya ntiatia mu enya Kotoko 1 has 1 the matured way of discussing sports issue and as we speak. Kumasi Asante Kotoko America Ghana Premier League na outstanding games bi wo Yankopon Adaroma ya clear ni nyina nti say no club bi abo 5 na media ma outstanding na Insuatere outstanding na Brekum Chelsea outstanding and a Samates outstanding. Samates and Mediama boy 0-0 and a Brekum Chelsea and Insuatere mine and so boy 0-0. Into what this resource means is that Menoka say Krobia Asante Kotoko and that league first with 11 points. Na 11 points no obi any outstanding bi first na Kotoko the league no so with 11 points. Abrana Midiama Ewa outstanding. Abrana Samates wa outstanding. Abrana Insia Tremani Brekum Chelsea for non so Ewa outstanding. But Sisi Amino Casado. Yenina Yabope. 5 games. And after the 5 games, I will be able the Kuma Pem boys. The Kotoko. Asante Kotoko. Ukuma Pema Pembeba Isamoto. Yemfam Kuchaloto. Yene that first on the Ghana Premier League table. Na a positive news for Kumase Asante Kotoko. Kotoko, if America bar, Obebo March day 7, March day 6, no, is against Legon Cities. And ono ebeye postpone. It's also may just ebeko Yami Adoma next 2 weeks, Wednesday, and as I game no, ebeko akoshe. Yintie na yenhyene nso ewo. So Ghana League table no currently as we speak Krobia Asante Kotoko with 11 points in the lead. Baby and Gold Stars and so 11 points and a Midiama and so Etwaso with the 3rd position. Then I think Brekum Chelsea also and so the 4th position are falling in line just like that. So Ghana Premier League after March day 5, it is Krobia Asante Kotoko all the way leading the Ghana Premier League table. And this is a sign which shows say this year the Kuma Pem boys Kotoko Ebeji League no inshallah. Nana mo akon Ali Musa Senior Patrick baby amubia mechia mo tufo nyankopon enka obi bia mo Kotoko League ya yabeto party. We are far apart. Yes, we are far apart. Ibi wo China, ibi wo Vietnam, ibi wo South Africa, ibi wo Doma, ibi wo Brekum, Kotoko, Bichim, Kotoko supporters no. We are scattered across the whole world. But league way there, ye je na ye be kwa Africa na. Mumi ento party. Yes, mumi ento party. Ibi wo cry tema. Ali Musa mo, jobless mo. Bruno na ewo Ghana. Nti ye ewo Ghana ndie. Ye be shia Kumase the auto party. Inshallah. Ghana Blaster game no ever so. Na Ignatius, coach assistant for James Kwesiapia. I don't call ye pre-match or say a mixed feeling. The project say mixed feeling. I say feeling wa. I don't know. But omuri omunya ya nka o my konkro Ghana any Sudan and qualify. But sa group na no Angola wo mu. So Angola was our group. Inti enye easy cra na Ghana empire bonne say Ghana ever qualify because a group of 4 and ye nipa 2 Angola wo Niger wo Sudan and Ghana inti say betimi atwa Sudan there be Sudan there say Ghana never qualify so Sudan and Ghana qualifier they twa Niger any Angola egu ba Angola for no so na de be wo ye ni wa ha no izo mo kure di kan wo Ghana only point the enti wo kwa be so na be fa so e dey qualify ahead of team I friend Angola enti that's just on a national issue yenko yenimna yenko he nsema that's wo na me Kumasi Asante Kotoko camp USA na me update Kumasi Asante Kotoko issues. But at the game, no, Kudus is going to captain Ghana Black Star for the first time. Yes, and we there Kudus lack be a one who be no on Faura Ghana na Emwa Ghana na Ghana nya victory. Now as the first time all captain Black Stars no Ghana share. I just say first time all captain na ye dey akọ Ghana ni we there nyami pengu Ghana Black Stars. And tiene over game na e Kudus na ebe captain on my Konkono Ghana ewo ho intie na yenhyene nso. Now I would want us to address this particular one because it is a matter of national concern. It is a national subject which needs to be addressed. And now the GFA president ARDB media message now the mom no, it is right. To be real honest, sometimes over the years, in recent years, Black Star players are or more commitment or form. No, main case or more commitment or form, but over the zeal of the it cannot be compared to during the days of 10 years ago, Michael Essien, Stephen Appiah, the Montaris, John Menses, those days, no energy, no vibe, I know the bono. But and then your master, to be real honest, your master, there have been so many changes. Players, no, I make the point say, club, then. For instance, Thomas Partey issue, we say, I can say player injury, but say, the normal kick out or no, person channel. And it has been attributed to Nancy comment Grace about say only connected to the Black Stars. Thomas Partey, last time senior baby catcher, but Thomas has been very much connected to Ghana Black Stars course. But unfortunately, Krumane the Asemba Ubiani the Osiki Etekino. He decided to pull out of this game basically or no chess illness, but I can suppose you chess play an injury. So Thomas Partey said, but on the point of the GFA president, all both players Nessie, all both match publicly. I don't know what you think. A year and I say a year and I say sometimes Pennyphone can't simply say Dipano Utu the Fu Kukuama Nuntia. Sometimes how they are baby. Minim say Lubina a course na. Say players no GFA president nene oma kasa behind the scenes na omuntie na omufanya adwuma and at this time why na I say cameras so ewiase afa na nyina and of fire players they say omo commitment or form and more players no samuni ho a daache anase muni ho a yebenya amanfo amoma bebo nti blasters na obo na nye no money say wo no na wo ye bibia ma o man na ma but a opportunity no wanya nti opportunity na wanya no but the body ye enya afi na wo be yakoko asasem nsem we nyina o ka kire the national team players Black Star players no and baby obeka say it was the stab in the stomach hono the point say oka say Niger team Ghana any of ball 1-1 Nanseya no sa Niger team no Kotoko say the Dreams FC no Niger team no emu players more than 5 me and start say the team about Dreams FC and the Dreams FC so Ghana Premier League no watete apansa mo odase baby Dreams FC there already nyoma ye yes relegation obetima on paper relegation obetima but in reality the Dreams FC event is over relegation. But to be to be real honest, so had the money and say, oh, bona, is what does here, baby? 1 year, and a what 3 points. I think so. I say, oh, baby. And see, that's and also the. I don't know what you think. You can leave your comments in the comment section. Now and also your view on it. And you tell me, and you Kotoko one, and you has one. The discerning views and with the Super 24 TV also. Now on Kotoko, Kumasi Asante Kotoko USA and now after Kotoko a call and a statement a follow say a net which is Thursday by a 5 p.m. 6 p.m. Kotoko second batch and Sabeka Omo visas as we speak. It is a contingent of about 11 people and a work Kotoko. America's is here, including 4 technical team members and 7 players, and I'll make it 11 players. Kotoko say assurance, BI will be as the organizers no at the amomo say and net enumerate other batch no ebenya visas no by Friday no monso abedu US inti assembly tie nyina no na de pray wom and I am pulling out and I am abandoning game no Kotoko say na omuntimi pull it out of the game because some of the players, which is first batch now, no more hosts here, they are jump faces, a more plane tickets, ya call Buki Biamo where we and also no means me pull out because Nipano any cash process and wash out was by Thursday and Nuntia or pull it out. Now, after Thursday, you know. Say decision be a basic and some players then sang come visits no. I had a yammy pan, Mr. Tembia, and you did the and your house one and your Kotoko one, but a 7 church statement no. Among for say Sakotoko Kotoko say sa other batch no and sang come visits now on the boycott to game no and yes sir and a Kotoko kind the statement no. Mr. A brofo. And brofo no okanya eye simple enye brofo kese Kotoko say at the ground to man banding game and say na half of the contingent and cycle visas it's nipa na she process as no one more top assurance say by Thursday others no and sabeka it's ontimi enko abandon it will make abandon the match unsuccessful so because nipa no wedi kan gibia ma o so Thursday obeje de to aso and na Kotoko decided to aso say by Thursday no ebewie na Friday no visas no anye successful second batch na anye successful Krobia Sante Kotoko will take the best decision which will go down in a good interest for the club. Kotoko be take a decision which will reflect a good interest of the club. One can say Koba services no negie no the second batch na maswa obe abandon game na say obe boycotting. Or say in the event say visas no omentimi an secure the second batch now obe take a decision which will be in the very best interest of the club, and it could be say academy for no ombekwa for players train no dey asoso no mabu game no and also your best interest of the club. It is rather than the nyina ye wa atwe Thursday na nene nti by the end of the day and I hope services ne be secure na nwumre a obetu akọ by Friday ombedro assembly any ho the American common no. Now Justice Blay Kotoko offer the contract. Peter Amidu Kotoko offer the contract. There is a conversation say Justice Blay cry no nka Kotoko nyano no nko piska wa approach kakra, but it is too early. Justice Blay wasom Kotoko. So opportunity by me so Kotoko be denied. That's a different day, different discussion. But for now the sema ekotwi ekobre mino and yehwe go ha ma high Super 24 TV Kotoko reactions me who WhatsApp group as well they say join here 0247 10 72 60 0247 10 72 60 young go.